Hello YouTubers. Here we got a GeForce graphics card that is getting, when you start it up in like the CMOS or in the BIOS, you get like lines going through it. You got all kinds of junk on the screen, and then the card is known to cause a blue screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake the graphics card, try to bake the card back to life. So first you're going to do is I already did this earlier, but you're going to remove the fan and heat sink, and then you're going to take some aluminum foil balls and put them on a cookie sheet like so. You're going to put the two corners of the card with the GPU facing down on the cookie sheet with your oven preheated to 385 degrees. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put this in for 10 minutes and we shall see what she does. I prefer to use the bottom rack of the oven. There you go. Make sure it's supported. Okay, and she goes for 10 minutes. Let's see what happens.